Get ready to dive into the captivating mysteries lurking beneath the icy surface of Mars. Hidden amidst the barren landscape, there lies a colossal figure resembling a majestic sculpture known as the Lady of the North, but on a scale that would dwarf even the grandest of earthly landmarks. With a halo that could encompass the entirety of New York City and wings stretching across hundreds of kilometers, this Martian replica sparks our curiosity. Scientists, however, dismiss it as a mere coincidence, a random assortment of craters and lakes composed of carbon dioxide. But can we truly dismiss the possibility that this doorway etched into a Martian cliff is a mere anomaly? What about the enigmatic forest or the awe-inspiring face? Brace yourself, for these wonders are merely the tip of the iceberg. Today, we embark on a journey to unravel the secrets that Mars holds. How can such peculiar entities, clearly foreign to the red planet, find their way to its desolate landscape? In 1976, NASA unveiled a photograph of Cydonia, a region in Mars' northern hemisphere. Almost immediately, the public's gaze was drawn to a colossal face in the image, a face complete with eyes, a nose, and even a mouth. Science fiction enthusiasts eagerly embraced the notion that it was akin to the Egyptian Sphinx, crafted by an ancient Martian civilization. This legend persisted for over 2 decades until 1998, when photographs from a different angle revealed the face to be nothing more than a trick of light and shadow on the uneven terrain. Despite this revelation, subsequent Mars rovers captured images of new and inexplicable discoveries. Take a closer look at a photograph taken by the Curiosity rover. Do you notice anything peculiar? Sensational headlines proclaimed a floating spoon on Mars, and a year later, Curiosity spotted another spoon. Could it be that gigantic Martians were having a picnic on the red planet? Geologists quickly dismissed this idea, explaining that both spoons were merely rocks weathered by the wind. However, Curiosity's exploration continued, and in 2022, it presented us with yet another enigma, an impeccably carved doorway on a cliff. Perhaps this is where the elusive picnickers, who left their silverware scattered across the Martian desert, have taken refuge. But even if that were the case, they would have to be extraordinarily tiny, as the so-called doorway measures a mere 30 centimeters in height. According to geologists, it is merely one of many natural cracks adorning the cliffs. So if faces, spoons, doorways, and other oddities do not exist on Mars, why do we continue to witness them? The answer, my friends, lies within the human mind. Before we delve further into the eerie wonders found on Mars, let us confront a fundamental truth. Surprises like these can be found everywhere. Cast your gaze around this world. Faces are imprinted on buildings, sinks, and even electrical sockets. At times, this game of recognizing familiar shapes within random objects reaches absurd proportions. Recall the incident in 2004 when a grilled sandwich sold for a staggering $28,000, all because it bore an image resembling the Virgin Mary. Surely you see it too, don't you? Does this mean we are all a touch mad? Not quite. We are simply susceptible to pareidolia, the innate ability to swiftly recognize familiar shapes in our surroundings. This remarkable trait once helped our ancestors identify the heads of dangerous predators hidden within the woods. Now, safe from wild animals, pareidolia ensures that every other picture of Martian cliffs ignites heated internet debates and spawns hundreds of conspiracy theories. But what if these truth seekers are not entirely mistaken? Could we attribute all these marvels on Mars to the phenomenon of pareidolia? Loving the video or learning something new? Smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content you won't want to miss. These discoveries give birth to the wildest theories. In 2001, Arthur C. Clarke, renowned science fiction writer and author of A Space Odyssey, claimed to have spotted actual trees in new Martian photos, an entire alien forest. Unlike spoons and faces etched into cliffs, these trees appear to be in constant motion, growing denser with time and thinning periodically. Could there be unknown Martian creatures feeding on these arboreal wonders? Clarke seemed to imply as much. A decade later, blogger David Martinez stumbled upon what he believed to be an entire settlement on the Red Planet, a fragment of an underground bunker where Martians might be hiding, reminiscent of secretive facilities on Earth. Scientists, however, maintain that all of these phenomena are mere coincidences. According to their reasoning, the Martian forest is not a forest at all. It is merely a cluster of intricate patterns formed by carbon dioxide. The movement observed can be explained by the thawing and refreezing of dry ice, which fills the surface cracks in new configurations. But if that's the case, why have we never encountered such glaciers on Earth? As for the alleged biostation Alpha, scholars are nearly certain it is nothing more than an image artifact caused by cosmic rays. Yet the sheer frequency and quantity of these coincidences leave us pondering the true nature of Mars. And then, as if by some cosmic alignment, the wild theories of Mars observers receive unexpected validations. In the 19th century, astronomers scrutinizing Mars claimed to have observed rivers and artificial channels, unmistakable signs of extraterrestrial life. However, subsequent investigations revealed that these Martian waterways were nothing more than seismic activities, mountain ranges, or mere consequences of substandard telescope lenses distorting the view. The Martian channels, once heralded as groundbreaking discoveries, became a source of embarrassment for astronomers. However, in 2017, the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter captured an image of a peculiar formation, a tadpole-like figure. Its head, an ordinary impact crater, held little intrigue, but its tail revealed something remarkable, a riverbed coursing through the crater after the impact. Thanks to these peculiar shapes on Mars's surface, we now know that the 19th century researchers were, in fact, correct. Mars did have water in the past. With this newfound understanding, rivers seem to emerge in various pictures, some unnoticed until now. In 2004, the Mars Rover Opportunity stumbled upon objects resembling pool balls. NASA experts, with a touch of flamboyance, labeled them blueberries, fueling the enthusiasm of Mars life enthusiasts. Some even postulated the existence of local Martian mushroom species. However, this theory was soon discredited. Yet, not long after, scientists noted that these spherical formations closely resembled hematite crystals, and only flowing water could have shaped them thus. This revelation implies that a river once flowed through the area. Considering Mars's age, it would have been relatively recent. Could Martian bacteria spores be hiding in close proximity to these blueberries? And that's not all. In 2012, the Curiosity rover captured a faint metallic object in its photographs, a remnant of an ancient Martian tool, perhaps, made of refined metal. Skeptics dismissed it as mere debris from the rover itself. Most recently, NASA's Perseverance rover photographed a shiny, unknown object, this time not machine debris, but a chunk of rare earth metal. Does this mean we will soon uncover remnants of iron ore mining equipment and other machinery used by Martians to process minerals? The possibilities are intriguing. As we conclude our journey through the mysterious wonders of Mars, one thing becomes abundantly clear: the red planet continues to captivate and bewilder us. While some dismiss the remarkable formations as products of pareidolia, our innate tendency to see patterns where there may be none, others propose outlandish theories of hidden civilizations and life forms. Scientists, armed with their knowledge and skepticism, offer explanations rooted in natural phenomena and image artifacts. Yet the frequency and curious nature of these discoveries make us question if there might be more to Mars than meets the eye. Mars, with its breathtaking landscapes and tantalizing mysteries, keeps us yearning for further exploration and understanding. So, as we gaze at the enigmatic Martian vistas, we cannot help but wonder what secrets lie beneath its crimson surface, waiting to be unveiled. The journey to comprehend the truth of Mars has only just begun. Let us know your comments in the comments section below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content about science and the universe. Thanks for watching.